Sobering statistics at the Valley Hospital in Bergen County. 39 coronavirus deaths since mid-March, including a Valley doctor.
It has been a very tough situation for everybody to deal with emotionally. When you see your own colleagues, that brings it really home to a lot of people, and definitely brings up the anxiety level.
Dr. Brenner says on Friday, the Valley Hospital had 140 COVID-19 patients. As of this morning, it had 198.
We knew that our colleagues at Holy Name were undergoing an influx of patients, and then a week later we saw it happening here at Valley. So it's been staggering.
Dr. Brenner says 3/4 of all the care here is devoted to the coronavirus. That means COVID-19 has taken over units for other care. It also means there are stories of success.
Yesterday, we had 2 people come off ventilators. That's been an amazing feat. We had, if you saw the reaction of our nurses stood there and cried. They took pictures with one another in their PPE. We had the community out supporting us with banging pots and pans outside of the Valley Health System. We have our community donating meals, donating money, donating homemade masks.
The high level of COVID-19 care also means having to exchange supplies with other hospitals, life-saving supplies such as 6 ventilators recently.
I don't even want to think about where we'd be without the collaboration.
Personal protective equipment, PPE, is an issue, so staff members improvise and innovate.
Engineering has also put holes in the walls of the unit rooms so that nurses don't have to go in and out and overutilize PPE and conserve on PPE, so that they can actually make adjustments into the IV fluids, which are multiple, through a hole in the wall the tubing is coming through.
Hospital employees take cloth gowns to the laundromat to wash them. Others, with needle and thread, patch up the holes. The Valley Hospital says everyone's pitching in, and donors have been very generous. I'm at H&P Sewing here in North Bergen. This is one of the places that's lending a huge hand to the Valley Hospital to make it through this pandemic. H&P Sewing, that had been making sportswear, now is making masks and bonnets for the Valley Hospital. Its owner got a visit one Sunday at home after he had laid off some 20 workers and now has rehired 10.
Sunday at the 3 o'clock, I came to my factory, I opened the door, I make a 4 or 5 pieces samples, and I give it to vice president of the Valley Hospital. Monday, they call me back, go ahead, start to make a 10,000 pieces.
The owner says he's getting calls from other hospitals that realize there is no masking their growing needs in a pandemic.
No one has seen anything like this.
In North Bergen, Michael Hill, NJTV News.